Hi there, this is Hi there. This is Mike Voss with Property Pro Media. Today I'm going to show you how to mask a window. Um, it's very important in real estate photography, as often agents want you to get a nice, clear, crisp view out the window because it's a it's a big selling point uh, for real estate. So what I did is I fired off a flash at those two windows there. Then I fired off a flash at that sliding glass door. And then I underexposed to get an ambient shot, which we're going to use to mask in to get rid of the reflections from the flash on the windows. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a layer mask here. Yes, create a layer mask here. And I'm going to grab the polygon lasso tool, and I'm going to select this window. And then I'm going to take a brush and flow at about 6%. The hardness is all the way down, the size, whatever size you like. And I'm going to brush in the flash exposure right there. Okay? Well, that's going to load for a second. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next window. There we go. I'm going to grab the brush tool again, go ahead and paint that in. Looking really nice. I'm going to load for a second. My computer's a bit old. It might load for a little while here. Okay, I'm going to deselect that. I'm going to grab this shot now and create another layer mask. It's Alt-Option on a Mac. And I'm going to go ahead and grab there we go. Lost it. There it is. Let's go here. And go ahead and select window. Go ahead and brush it in. You can see that bit of flash, reflection from the flash coming in the window. We're going to get rid of that. Let's go ahead and select this last part of the sliding glass door here. Go around this pillow, around the chair, connect it, and then we will once again paint it in. Now let's take the ambient shot and let's create a layer. Let's go in here, select this tool, make the brush a little smaller. Let's just try and get rid of that flash there. There we go. That reflection is gone. It looks much nicer. And that's it. That's how you mask in the windows. I'll here up, but that's basically how you do it.